What are the benefits and drawbacks of purchasing silver bullion as an investment? Continue watching this video to find out why now might be a good time for you to get involved in the market and set yourself for the future. Welcome to my channel. I'm Rich Mogul, and today we'll discuss whether you should invest in silver bullion. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell so you're always first to learn how to invest and make money. There are benefits and drawbacks associated with investing in silver bullion, and what is suitable for one investor may not be appropriate for another. When the price of silver goes up, there is typically an increase in the amount of interest shown in the silver market. This causes investors to question whether or not it is the appropriate time to include physical silver in their investment portfolios. Even though silver's price is subject to wild swings, investors often view it as a safe haven asset, just like gold, which is silver's sister metal. Safe haven assets are able to provide protection for investors during times of uncertainty. Currently, tensions are running high, and as a result, safe haven assets may be a good option for those who are looking to maintain their wealth during challenging times. Let's examine the benefits and drawbacks of purchasing silver in the form of physical bullion in light of the aforementioned considerations. What are the benefits associated with making an investment in silver bullion? 1. Silver can be a protective asset. As was previously mentioned, investors frequently rush to purchase precious metals whenever there is economic unrest. When there is a great deal of political and economic unpredictability in the world, legal tender, such as dollars and euros, will typically take a backseat to assets, such as gold and silver. Although investors may find gold and silver bullion to be of interest, the white metal has a tendency to be overlooked in favor of individuals investing in gold, despite the fact that both metals serve the same function. 2. It is a physical asset. Although cash, mining stocks, bonds, and other financial products are all recognized forms of wealth, they are still, in essence, digital forms of promissory notes. Bitcoin, on the other hand, is a physical asset. Because of this, each one of them is susceptible to a decline in value as a result of activities such as the printing of money. On the other hand, 1 troy ounce of silver bullion is a measurable and tangible asset with a limited supply. This indicates that despite the fact that, like other commodities, physical silver is susceptible to fluctuations in the market, its value is unlikely to completely collapse due to the inherent and genuine value it possesses. Participants in the market have the option of purchasing bullion in a variety of forms, such as silver coins or silver jewelry, or they can opt to purchase silver bullion bars instead. 3. It is less expensive than gold. When compared to gold bullion, the white metal is not only less expensive, and as a result, easier to acquire, but it also offers greater flexibility in terms of how it can be spent. Because of this, if you are interested in purchasing silver in the form of a coin to use as currency, you should know that it will be less difficult to break than a gold coin because silver is worth less. An ounce of gold bullion can be difficult to divide up into smaller pieces, similar to how it can be difficult to break a $100 bill in a store. Because of this, silver bullion is more useful and adaptable than other forms of silver, which boosts the allure of buying it as an investment. 4. The returns on investment for silver are higher than those for gold. The price of silver tends to move in the same direction as the price of gold. For example, when the price of gold increases, so does the price of silver. Due to the fact that the price of the white metal is currently approximately 1/79th that of gold, purchasing silver bullion can be done at a reasonable cost and stands to see a much larger percentage gain if the price of silver increases. In fact, during periods of rising prices, silver has outperformed the price of gold. An investor who includes silver bullion in their investment portfolio has the ability to reduce their exposure to certain risks. 5. Silver's place in history lends it a sense of stability. Silver and gold have both been used as legal tender for thousands of years, which gives them both a sense of continuity and security. Many people take solace in the fact that the value of silver has been acknowledged for a significant portion of the history of humanity. As a result, there is an expectation that silver will persist even though a currency based on fiat may eventually be rendered obsolete. When people put their money into physical silver, be it in the form of a silver bar, pure silver, a coin, or any number of other items, they have the peace of mind of knowing that the value of their investment has and will continue to be maintained. What are some of the risks that are associated with investing in silver bullion? 1. A potential lack of liquidity. If you hold physical silver, there is a possibility that you will have difficulty selling it right away. You can't use silver bullion bars or coins to pay for everyday items like groceries, so you'll have to convert them into currency first. However, selling silver quickly might be difficult if you do decide to go this route. Pawn shops and jewelers are options to consider if you find yourself in a bind and are unable to get in touch with a bullion dealer, but you shouldn't expect them to pay very much. 2. The risk of theft. Unlike the vast majority of other types of investments, such as stocks, investors in silver bullion run the risk of having their holdings stolen. Using a safety deposit box at a bank or a safe box in your own home to protect your possessions from being stolen will result in additional expenses being incurred. In addition, the greater the quantity of tangible assets, such as silver jewelry, that are kept within your home, the higher the probability that your home will be broken into. 3. A low return on investment, despite silver bullion's potential value as a safe haven asset. Silver bullion's performance may not be as strong as that of other investments, such as real estate or even other types of metals. Some investors may find that purchasing mining stocks, particularly silver stocks that pay dividends, is a more profitable choice than purchasing silver bullion. Streaming companies will always outperform bullion by itself, said Randy Smallwood, president and CEO of the streaming company Wheaton Precious Metals, TSX, OPM, and MOSC of Wheaton. Wheaton Precious Metals trades on the TSX and MOSC. He attributes this success to the company's organic growth as well as the dividend payouts that are not provided by bullion. An investment in silver futures or an exchange-traded fund, ETF, such as the Isurus Silver Trust, ARCA, SLV, are two additional opportunities available to investors who have an interest in the precious metal. 4. A high demand for silver causes premiums to rise. When investors try to purchase any bullion product, such as an American silver ounce coin known as a silver eagle, they quickly discover that the price of physical silver is generally higher than the price of silver on the spot market. This is because sellers use premiums to increase the price of their products. In addition, if there is a high demand, premiums can quickly rise, which makes the acquisition of physical silver bullion more expensive and a less appealing investment. If you want to learn more, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell so you're the first to see my new videos.